Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jane. Today we'll be looking at making carrot body butter for your skin, which you're going to combine carrot and coconut oil to make some lovely butter for the skin. It's going to look something like this, and let's begin. So you will need carrots. I would say 3 medium carrots, coconut oil as the carrier oil. I used liquid paraffin, or you can use glycerin if that's what you have, and an essential oil. For me today I had tea tree oil, but you can use whatever you want. First we're going to grate the carrots, like finely grate them or blend them. Just get them as small as you can. After blending the carrots, we're gonna heat up the oil, and on very low heat we're gonna heat up the coconut oil for about 2 minutes. Yeah, you can use an old pot or something, so you can be specific just for making your oils and butters. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting some coconut oil. The point of the measurement is just to put enough oil to cover the carrots you have. So no specific measurements for now. Yep, so I'll just put the carrots inside them, and I'm just gonna let them simmer and cook out for about 15 minutes. I will add some drops of the paraffin oil. I added more coconut oil to make sure it covers the carrot bits. Yeah, I'm just gonna stir it, and then I will cover it and leave it to do its thing for about 15 minutes so that the oil can extract from the carrot. Yeah, so after about 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. It stopped being a dark, deep orange color into a light orange color. Yep, after 15 minutes I'm just going to sieve the oil. So I'm going to strain it into a container. If I had a small strainer, I will use it directly to my container, the one I'm gonna store it in, but I didn't have, so I use a jug. Yep, so squeeze and make sure you get all the oil. The oil is a light yellow or light orange in color now. So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. It was my first time doing this, by the way. I've always been looking for ways to moisturize because I have very dry skin. I always just mix my lotion with my coconut oil and glycerin or liquid paraffin, but this time I decided to try to make a butter. Anyway, that's all that's left for the carrot, nothing much. So now I'm just going to transfer it to my container, which I'm gonna store it in. I'm gonna transfer it there and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. About 3 hours in the fridge, just so that it can solidify before we whip it. Oh yeah, there was some residue, so I had to sieve one more time. Yep, so after bringing it out from the fridge, this is how it looked like. So at this point I added my tea tree oil. I put 1 teaspoon because it has a very strong smell. But next time I will use something different, like an orange or lavender something. So now I'm going to whip it. I'm supposed to whip it for about 30 minutes. Yep, so whip it in any speed. I use speed 1 so that it can just be slow and consistent. And you want to move so fast. After a while I realized the container was small anyway, so I will change it later. I will split it into 2. Yep, this is the other container I got because it was overflowing from the being fluffy. It started being too much for the container. So I just split it, which is good because I was able to save the other for the next time. While I beat it again, it looked something like this, but it was still kind of soft. I wanted to refrigerate one more time. I beat it, still more liquid, but it looked good when I tried it on. My skin was glowing and soft. Look at that. That's what I like when I'm wearing short stuff. Yeah, that looks like the thing I was looking for. So I put it in the freezer now, and it was hard, and I decided to do it again to see how it will look. So I put it in the freezer for about 2 hours, and then I came back to whip it again. This looks more like what I saw from the video. I saw a video on YouTube about it, that's why I decided to do it. Yep, so I was whipping it and whipping it, and the color will begin to become lighter shade of this and more fluffy. By the way, just check out the benefits of carrot oil and tea tree oil and coconut oil to see how effective this is going to be. They pretty much have a lot of benefits when they're combined, so I will see for myself as well. Yep, look, the consistency is changing. So I beat it for another 10 minutes, I believe. It was a bit oily, so I decided to mix it with my lotion the way I usually do anyway. So I put some lotion in it. I usually just use any lotion and then just mix it, so I was just doing kind of the same thing because most lotions are not glowy enough for me. So I decided to just add some lotion and then whip it together. So I have this half of this butter in the fridge for my next batch, so it's good that I made a lot. I don't know if I made a lot, but it kind of increased in size, so I'm happy with that. So I have another batch for the next time. Yep, so that's it. That's how it looks like. I decided to try it again. It felt way softer when it's mixed with the lotion, and it spread faster. I don't know, it just felt much softer. I liked it. So that's it for me. Enjoy. Tell me what you think and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.